Ever wondered which pastry base is right for your dish? Today, we're diving into the world of pastry bases, a key element that can transform your baking. We'll be focusing on two popular types, the light and airy sponge pastry and the sturdy, crumbly short crust. Choosing the right base isn't just about taste, it's about texture, presentation, and how it complements your filling. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, knowing your pastry bases can make a world of difference in your baking. First up, we have the sponge pastry, a popular choice for desserts. Known for its light and airy texture, sponge pastry is the epitome of versatility in the baking world. From classic Victoria sponges to decadent chocolate gâteaux, this base truly shines. The secret? It's all about incorporating air. When making sponge pastry, one must whisk eggs and sugar until they're frothy and full of air. This lends the pastry its distinctive cloud-like texture. So, if you're looking for a base that's light as a cloud, sponge pastry is your go-to. On the other hand, we have shortcrust pastry, the sturdy base perfect for tarts and quiches. This pastry's firm yet crumbly texture is a marvel, with the ability to hold up heavier fillings without surrendering to sogginess. The secret behind this? Cold butter, cut into the flour, creates pockets of fat that melt during baking, resulting in that desirable flaky texture. Shortcrust pastry is a testament to the magic of baking science. So when you need a firm, crumbly base that can hold up to any filling, shortcrust pastry is your best bet. So we've explored the airy delight of sponge pastry and the sturdy companion that is shortcrust pastry. Sponge pastry, light and dreamy, is perfect for desserts that require a fluffy touch. On the other hand, shortcrust pastry, with its crumbly texture, is ideal for pies and tarts needing a sturdy base. The choice between the two really depends on what you're baking. Remember, the right pastry base can elevate your dish to new heights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips.